Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome to my channel. So guys, in my today's video we are going to talk about NVIDIA's latest release NIM. So what is NIM? Well, it is a platform created by NVIDIA to help developers build, deploy and manage generative AI applications on NVIDIA powered systems. NIM consists of user-friendly microservices which are designed to speed up the deployment of AI models like generative AI models across various environments like cloud, data centers and workstations. This means you can use it no matter where you are or what you are using. It makes it easier for developers to work with generative AI models by providing pre-built containers that can be deployed with just one command. These containers are optimized for performance and security, so you can run generative AI models efficiently and safely. Plus, it supports custom AI models and it uses industry standard APIs so you can connect with popular AI frameworks like LangChain, Llama Index and Haystack easily. Now let's talk about the benefits of NIM. One of the biggest advantages is easy deployment. You can deploy generative AI models like Llama 3, Gemma, Mistral and many more with just few clicks, and the pre-built containers make it simple to get started. Plus, NIM ensures that your data remains secure and under your control only. Another benefit is NIM is customizable. You can tailor AI model to specific use cases with optimized inference engines. This means you can get the best possible performance for your specific needs. And with NIM, you can maximize performance on NVIDIA infrastructure. Additionally, NIM is enterprise ready. This means you can enjoy secure and controlled deployments with features like security patches and validation. And with domain-specific code for various domains like healthcare and genomics, you can access specialized code to help you get the job done. Overall, NIM is a powerful tool that can help you build, deploy and manage AI applications with ease. With its pre-built container, customization options and enterprise-ready features, it is perfect solution for any developer looking to simplify their AI workflow. Now let's see how to use NIM. So this is an NVIDIA API catalog. User can access a variety of AI models immediately from the NVIDIA API catalog. Here you can see various models. So trending now, under this trending now you can see this Llama 370 billion model, and then we have this model, we have PalyGemma over here. Let's just see what other models we have here. We have Mistral over here, and then so like this you can see various large language models over here, right? Now I'll show you how to deploy pre-built inference microservice container for this Llama 3 model. Okay, so let's click on this model. So guys, when you scroll down, so here you will see these two things. On this side, this is a chat option. Here you can chat with the model on this browser only. So let's say I'm just clicking on this question only and you will get a reply to it. Okay. But on this side, here you'll see the four options: Python, Node, Shell and Docker. So this is a Python code. So if you want to use this model in your local machine or wherever you want to use and in your Python code, so you can just copy this code from here and you can use it. I'll show you how to do that. And the second option is Node. So if you are working with Node.js, then you can use this. Then we have this curl command and you can use this also. And then if you want to work through Docker, then you can use this. So let's see practically how to use them. So guys, first thing is you need to log in, and when you log in, when you select this Python, let's say you want to work with Python, when you select this Python, you need a API key which you need to fill here when you want to use this code. Then only you can use this Python code wherever you want to use. So you can click on this get API key and this will work only if you are logged in. So I am logged in. When you log in, you'll see here credits. So now my credits are this. By default you'll get 1000 credits, so I've used few credits, so that's why you're seeing this much credits left. Okay, so just log in, and after that click on generate this get API key. When you'll click on this get API key, it will ask you like this, generate key. So like this it will generate the key. You can copy the key from here, and then by default you'll get that key over here also. Now just copy this code from here, okay, and we will run it. Before you get started, make sure you have installed all the prerequisites. So for that, this is the link. Here you can see the prerequisites. You need NVIDIA GPU, and then operating system, this, and then CUDA drivers. So I have installed everything. Now let me show you this application, how we can work with it. This is the CUDA version I'm using, and this is my Python version. Now let's run the code. First I'm showing you how to run a Python script. So for that, what I've done is I've written that Python script. I created one py file, and inside that I have my script. So this is my script. So guys, here we are importing OpenAI. So you need to install the OpenAI module first, and once you can install it using pip. Once you install this OpenAI module, just copy this code from here. We already have our API key mentioned over here, right? So we are just copying this code, and then I'm pasting this code over here, and now you can see we are importing OpenAI. Here this is the base URL, this is the API key, and this is the code. Here we have mentioned that this model we want to use, and we are using it on a local machine now. Intent, here I'm writing a demo question. Here you can write any question, whatever you want to ask, just to check if this model is working on your local machine or not. Okay, so this is the code. Save it. Now we will run it. We have to use Python 3 here. See, we are getting the result. Now let me show you the output properly. Here. So this was my code, and this is the question. This is the question we have. What can I see at NVIDIA's GPU Technology Conference? And this is the answer Llama 3 model gave us. So guys, see, with just few lines we can run this Llama, the large language model, on our machine, right? Now let me show you the next way. The next thing is, okay, so now let's click on this shell. So here we have a curl command. Now we will use this curl command in a Python environment. Okay, so just copy this code from here. Now let's paste that curl command here. So this is a command. Okay, now let's hit enter. Here inside this content, what we have written, what is quantum computing. So let's hit enter, and it should reply us. So you can see that we are getting the output. See here inside this delta, and over here inside this content you will see the reply by the model. So this is how you can use it in a through shell. Next thing is this Docker. So to work with Docker, make sure you have Docker installed. After that, run these commands one by one. You need to log in, and for username is this, and for this password you need to enter the API key which you have by clicking over here. And then this is here, this is, we are exporting our API key, right? And these are the few lines. You will execute them one by one, and then you will run the Docker like this, and you can see the model running on your machine using the Docker. This is how you can use NVIDIA NIM. That's all for today's video on NVIDIA NIM. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.